students. My first video is on sentences and second video on preposition. Today I will teach you about subject and predicate. It is related to sentence, means our first video. Each sentence is made up of two parts, means a sentence has two parts, the subject, the predicate. Without subject, without predicate, the sentence we can't call it a complete sentence. Mr. Bean is reading book. What Mr. Bean is doing? He is reading book. Now here Mr. Bean is subject and rest is predicate. Means the subject is the person we are talking about as a predicate. The subject is there and what we are talking about that subject, what subject is predicate. Now the question arises, how to identify subject and predicate? Means each and every sentence there is one subject and one predicate. Now we have to learn how to identify the subject and predicate. The first we will go with the subject. The subject of a sentence is a person, place or thing or idea that is going or being something. That is doing or being something. The subject of a sentence is a person, place or idea that is doing or being something. You can find the subject of a sentence if you can find the verb. You all know what is verb? Doing verb. The subject is sometimes called the naming part of the sentence. We can find the subject in a sentence by asking the question who or what. In a simple way, we can say that in a sentence, the subject is a noun or pronoun spoken about. In a simple way, we can say that in a sentence, the subject is a noun or pronoun spoken about. What we are talking about, the noun or pronoun is called the subject, and what we are talking about, that noun and pronoun, is a predicate. Is it clear to you what is subject? How to identify the subject? Means if you find this 4 rules, 1, 2, 3, 4 rules, that is you can identify the subject. If you understand this clearly. If you have any doubt in this, you can ask, comment in the box and ask. My number is here. You can ask me in my number, WhatsApp number also. The dog is barking. Now the question, the example is the dog is barking. What the dog is? Barking. The dog here is subject. My friend is going to school. Here again, my friends. My friend is subject, is going to school, predicate. Means what we are talking about the friend. Here we are talking about the dog. What the dog is doing? The dog is subject, is barking, is predicate. My friend, we are talking about my friend is going to school. Now the predicate. The part of a sentence that which has a verb and which tells us what the subject is or does. The part of a sentence which has a verb and which tells us what the subject is or does. Here we have, in the second point, we can find the subject of a sentence if we can find the verb. Second point. Similarly, here the first point is the part of a sentence which has a verb and which tells us what the subject is or does. The predicate helps to create a complete thought. The predicate helps to create a complete thought. If the predicate is not there, we don't have the idea what the subject is going to say or going to do. Along with the verb, the predicate may contain the object. Along with the verb, the predicate may contain the object. Now object what is? That reading book. Object, subject, I will come in the next video when we are talking about the subject verb agreement. When transit verb and intransit verb, I will teach you transit verb and intransit verb. That time I will clarify the thing what is object in a verb. In a simple way, we can say that in a sentence, the predicate is what is said about the noun or pronoun. I have told you the predicate what is a noun and what we are talking about, that noun and pronoun is a predicate. Same the example is the dog is barking. My friend is going to the school. Here the dog is subject, is barking, predicate. Means we are talking about the subject, what the subject is doing, barking. Here what the subject is doing, going to school. Points to note. Few points are there. We can say that few points are there. In this point also, we can identify what is subject and what is predicate. Because all sentences are not same. In some sentence, the subject does not come before the verb. In some sentence, the subject does not come before verb. means mainly in the interrogative sentences. That is mainly in the interrogative sentences. What is your name? What is your name? Here what is not subject. There is no verb. Is your name? In imperative sentence, the subject is implied. The subject is implied, not given. Please stand up. Here you please stand up. You is hidden over here, subject. You, subject is hidden here. But subject is hidden. No subject will be here. Only predicate will be there. In exclamatory sentence, the subject's before the verb. In exclamatory sentence, the subject comes before the verb. When we are talking of exclamatory sentences, in sentence I have clear the doubts. In sentence, the types of sentences: exclamatory sentence, imperative sentence, assertive sentence, declare and interrogative sentence. All the 4 types of sentences are there. We have discussed in that video. If any doubt is there, you can go through that video again. What a beautiful picture this is. What a beautiful picture. Here the subject is beautiful picture. A beautiful picture. Understood? These are the few points to understand what is subject and what is predicate. I hope everything is clear. If any doubt you are having, you can write in the comment box and can ask me. In next class, I will give you question PDF regarding this topic so that it gets clear to your mind. Get clear to your mind. Thank you.